Welcome to Agents vs. Zombies, the challenge where you need to create an AI agent to find an antidote in a cemetery avoiding traps and zombies. And while doing it, maybe even winning some prizes. To start, just click Accept the challenge. First thing is to create an OutSystems community account. All you need to do is insert your first and last name and some information about your country and email address. Don't forget to set up a strong password and then prove you are not a robot. Also check the terms and conditions. Your account will be created and you'll receive a verification email. Now that you have your account, you can log in the Agent vs. Zombies application. Just insert your community username and password and you'll be directed to the Getting Started page. The first step is to create your personal environment. Open the link in step 1 and click Start Building. This will create your personal environment where you can set up your AI agent. The second step is to check all assets in Forge and install the Maze Buster agent. The third step is to configure your agent's endpoint. First, go to the training grounds page and check and also accept the terms and conditions. Now, to configure the agent's endpoint, check what is the instance of your personal environment and use that in the form and then click Verify and Save. All set for your agent to try to find the antidote? For this, all you need to do is click Start Attempt. Your agent will start to find its ways in the cemetery and you can check its progress. The screen will refresh every 5 seconds. Once you finish, other cemeteries will be unlocked. Let's start a new attempt in this new cemetery. In this case, our agent ran into the fire, so this means that we have margin to improve our AI agent. To improve the system prompt, all you need to do is go to your agent settings in the ODC portal and change the prompt. In this case, we added some more detail in the prompt in how the agent should behave. Now let's run this AI agent against a cemetery and see if there were any improvements. Okay, now you might not want to use this agent, but to build one for yourself. The first thing you need to do is to clone the agent. Now to do this, you'll need to have downloaded ODC Studio. If you don't have ODC Studio, there is a button for that in the portal. When ODC Studio is installed, open the module Maze Buster Agent, go to App, and then select Clone. Don't forget to publish. Now we need to update the agent's endpoint to the new clone agent. So now click the Change Agent's Endpoint link and choose the custom end. Go to the REST APIs in the logic in your personal environment and select Open Documentation in the Play Game API. Copy paste that URL and set up the agent's custom endpoint. Before trying the agent, let's not forget to update the agent's prompt in the portal. Now we can run the new agent starting a new attempt. Also, if you feel that your AI agent can do better, you can change it in the ODC Studio. The most important action here is agent flow, where your agent logic is defined. Starting by grounding data, this is the context data for your agent. We have an entity called memory, where we store the information of the previous moves. In each attempt, we are setting all memory information as grounding data. On the build messages action, we add a system prompt and a prompt to our AI model that is called. We can change the AI model to call, just make sure that the model is referenced on the agent's module. After that, we deserialize the response and request a move in the maze. Finally, we have the response. Now, as an example, let's make the memory more complete, giving some more description based on the move response. As you can see, we are instructing the agent to not fall again on the previous traps. Now publish your agent and check the result. If your agent is not behaving like expected, you can always check the logs to understand what is going on. Check the logs inside ODC Studio. Well, now we believe you have all the tools you need. Go build your AI agent and help find the antidote for Neo. Good luck!